Still struggling with complex navigation in SwiftUI? You're doing it the hard way. Learn how the coordinator pattern makes it easy with Async, Await, and MVVM. The app we will create will enable the user to navigate to different views using the coordinator pattern as seen on the screen. If I click on the Show Users button, it will populate the list with the user's payload. If I click on Show Products, it populates the list with the product's payload. Clicking on Orders, it populates the list with the orders payload. So this is the app feature that we will create in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will implement the App Coordinator view for displaying the main app UI and coordinating the navigation between users, products, and orders view. The first feature we will create is the Show Users list. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new SwiftUI file. Name the file App Coordinator View. And then we need to add our app state object variable. App state object private var coordinator app coordinator. And the purpose of line 12 is to initialize the coordinator directly using the app state variable, which ensures it's created and managed by SwiftUI. The next thing we need to do is to create our initializer, which will be, that should be user list, view model, user list, view model, and then it takes another parameter of product list, view model, which is a data type of product list view model. The final parameter is order list view model, which is a data type of order list view model. You can delete line 16, needed. And type the following: coordinator equals state object wrap value app coordinator. We need the overloaded one, which is the second one. And then we pass in the user list view model, and the product list view model, also the order list view model. So to enable our preview to work, we need to create the mock view models. So to do that, we just type the following, which is let user list view model equals user list view model. Let product list view model equals product list view model. Let order list view model that should be order list. Let order list view model equals order list that should be product list, and mine's 27, and we don't need the brackets either. Just yeah, we do need the brackets. 928, that should be, yeah, it should be a capital P. So we have our instances there for our mocks. Now we pass our instances to our app coordinator view, initializer. We just type in user list view model, product list view model, order list view model. And now we can start to implement some of our view. Lines 20, that can be deleted. We need navigation view. VStack text element with a caption. Welcome to the store. Font, large title, font weight, bold, padding, top 50, foreground color, and it should be foreground color. Black, which will set the text color to black. And then we add spacer to push the content to the top. Next thing we need to do is to get another VStack, spacing 20. that will enable 20 pixels between each of the elements, such as the button we need to create. And the button action, when we click on the button action, it will call the coordinator show user list to populate the list with user data. We need a HStack image, system name, person.3.fill, font, title 2, foreground color, white, text, and show users for the button, caption for the button, font, headline, foreground color for the text will be white, padding, leading 10, and then after line 44 we have the following: padding, to add padding around the button to make it more clickable, frame, width, infinity, and that will make the button take up the full width of the container. And also make sure that each of the buttons are the same size. Got background, color, blue, corner radius, 10 for rounded corners for the button. But the preview is still not working. Don't know why the preview is not working. Let me try it another way. I'll try it another way. So I'll copy the name of the struct. Struct, app coordinator, preview, preview provider, static, var, preview, some view. Let's see if this way works. And this is the old-fashioned way. Let's see if it works. See, as you can see why I don't use the previews, it just takes such a long time on my Mac. Into preview, finally worked. As you can see, we created our button. In the next tutorial, we'll add the other buttons that will be fully aligned correctly and display how it should be. So in the next tutorial, the button feature that we will add will be to show the order list and also show the product list button. That's in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.